Today we stood there in a very small space and we were very close together, and it was kind of like being a tourist at that point, except that we all were quiet and she began to sing, and all of a sudden that kind of tourist experience became a religious experience simply because the place was filled with music.
I can't imagine that you could be here and not be touched by his hand.
One of my favorite movies is The Wizard of Oz, and I think it's rich in theology about what it is to take a journey with other people and what it is to go home and what it is to be on a journey versus a destination.
I think that God is dealing with me very directly. There are a few personal issues that were really on the back burner for me, and it feels like what's happened is this pilgrimage has gone and just put them right up there on the front burner, and you know, Ruth, better attend to these now, and that's really welcome. It's difficult, it's hard work.
The temptation is to feel like you're leaving a whole lot of stuff behind. But the gift is to take it with you.
Into the desert, searching all that comes to stream. His love is flowing like a river, flowing out of you and me. Flowing out in the